you wanna let me go? Nah, nah.
Hi guys, I'm Alicia and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Thank you for clicking on my video. Today's video is a deep clean and refresh of my master bathroom. So you'll get to see how I clean my shower, the bathtub, and my sinks. I'm also doing some decluttering today too, so make sure you're subscribed if you are new and let me know how your day is going in the comments below. But before we get started, this video is in collaboration with my YouTube friend Taryn. She is absolutely amazing. Like, she's the sweetest person ever, and I'll let her introduce herself here.
Hello, my name is Taryn, getting my life together at 50. On my channel, you'll find motivational cleaning, cooking, hauls, DIYs, and lifestyle content. If that's something that interests you, I would love to have you join my YouTube family. Right after you're done watching this beauty channel, head right on over to my channel. See you there.
So I'm kind of giving you an overview of the bathroom. I know that things on camera can kind of seem like it's not really that dirty. It's been a while since I've done a deep clean like this, so I'm trying to show you that it actually is pretty dirty. But first thing I'm going to do is take everything out of the bathroom and wash anything that you can and throw that in the washer. So I'm getting started with this cleaning by spraying a mixture of Dawn dish detergent and vinegar in the shower, on the shower glass, the bathtub, and sinks, so that way it can sit a little bit and work its magic while I clean some other areas. Vinegar can be a very strong scent at first, but I love that it's a natural cleaning product, and especially that I'm in here for a while and I'm not breathing strong fumes into my lungs.
Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go?
Okay, so here I'm using the Lysol Power Bathroom Cleaner, and this actually helps to kill viruses and bacteria, and it also sanitizes the bathroom countertop surfaces in 30 seconds. So I use this in combination with the vinegar and Dawn detergent in the sink because this helps to sanitize the bathroom as well.
How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind?
Okay, so here I'm using Miss Meyer's basil scent to wipe down my cabinets, and it also gives it a nice smell over that Lysol and vinegar scent.
Baby, go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind?
Okay, so now you're going to see me using the Method glass cleaner to clean my mirrors and the glass shower doors, and as well as I'm going to clean the window that's here in the bathroom too.
Go blind. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Oh, nah, nah, nah. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, nah, nah. We ain't got the time. Another season we leave behind. Another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it, the truth is
today's video helps get you some motivation to help tackle that to-do list. I did make a video earlier this week of doing a power hour cleaning, and the idea behind that is to make cleaning more fun, and it also gives you motivation to keep going and to try to beat the clock and getting as much done as you possibly can within an hour. And you guys, you would be amazed at how much you actually get done within your hour under pressure.
So is this the part of me wanna believe in what I see? Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down, but I don't wanna have to pretend it's stronger. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while. There's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you.
Alright you guys, so here I'm using the Clorox scrubber that I got from Target, and this little gadget really helps save my back, and it does an amazing job because it scrubs the towel and it also gets in the cracks very well with the pointy edges that it has. And especially in the shower, it really does a good job. You can also attach a Clorox wipe to this scrub brush, and that helps too when you're doing a quick clean. You know, I have it linked below in my description box if you'd like to check it out. It's linked down below.
Decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, 'cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign.
I'm just changing out my toothbrush holder and the soap dispensers. I did buy new ones because the previous ones that I had them for a very, very long time, and it was definitely time for a change. And then I'm also going to change out my shower caddy because the one that was hanging up in the shower had got a bit rusty, so it was just time to get rid of it and just buy a new one as well. And then the other pieces that you'll see is just repurposing decorations that I already had throughout my house and just moving things around, which is a definitely very inexpensive way to change your decor up and to do a refresh of a space.
I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
So as I mentioned early on in the video, I am doing some decluttering today. And you guys, underneath this sink, it is a hot mess. Yes, it is. I know it is, but your girl is getting ready to tackle it, and I am going to organize and put things into the pantry. I did buy some cheap baskets from the Dollar Tree, and that is what I'm going to be using to help organize all of this stuff that we have underneath the bathroom sink, and that is what I'm going to work on right now.
But we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever.
So this is the final result, you guys. I went through this and I threw out so many things that was just old, out of date, just that had been down there for years. And these baskets from the Dollar Tree worked great for organizing things that were underneath this, underneath the vanity, and now it's all here in the linen closet.
This day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Live on Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right.
So this is the final result. As you can see, everything is really shiny and completely sanitized and germ-free and smelling absolutely amazing. You know, I try to do a deep clean like this at least once a month, but I do have to clean my bathroom almost daily, you guys, especially the toilet and the sink areas. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe and actually enjoy this double the cleaning motivation with Taryn's channel. And don't forget to head over to her channel once you're done here. And if you did, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you here in the next couple days. Bye.